Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So I welcome you again to your English class, and today we'll do two practice exercises which are given in your book on degrees of adjectives. I have made separate videos on the meaning of adjectives, kinds of adjectives, formation of adjectives, and rules to form degrees of comparison. And if you have not seen those videos, you can check the link in the description box. So let's get started, and first of all let's do exercise number 7, which is given on page number 163 of your book. So here you have to complete each sentence using the correct form of the verb given in the brackets. Okay, so look at the sentence A. Johnny is the dash boy in the class, and the word given in the bracket is good. So which degree of adjective or which form of adjective will be used here? Yes, we will use the superlative degree of the adjective good, because here we are comparing Johnny with the whole class. Alright, so here we are comparing Johnny with more than 2 students. Okay, so that's why we will use the superlative degree. And what is the superlative degree of the adjective good? Yes, it is best. So the answer here will be Johnny is the best boy in the class. Now look at the next sentence. That sofa is dash than this one, and the word given in the bracket is comfortable. So which degree of adjective will be used here? Yes, we will use the comparative degree of adjective comfortable, because here we are comparing one sofa with the another one. There's a comparison between two sofas. Okay, and when we compare two nouns, then we use the comparative degree. Okay, so what is the comparative degree of the adjective comfortable? It is more comfortable. So the answer here will be that sofa is more comfortable than this one. Now look at the next sentence. Which is the dash day of the year? And the word given in the bracket is cold. So which degree of adjective will be used here? Yes, we will use the superlative degree. And what is the superlative degree of the adjective cold? It is coldest. So the answer here is which is the coldest day of the year. The next sentence is iron is a dash metal. The word given in the bracket is cheap. So which degree of comparison will be used here? Yes, we will use this positive degree, because here we are talking about only one thing, that is iron. We are not comparing it with any other metal. Okay, so the word cheap itself is a positive degree of comparison, so we will write cheap here only. The answer is iron is a cheap metal. Okay, the next sentence is my medicine tastes dash than yours, and the word given in the bracket is bad. So which degree of comparison will be used here? Yes, we will use the comparative degree of adjective here, and the comparative degree of the adjective bad is worse. So the answer here will be my medicine tastes worse than yours. Okay, look at the next sentence. Mohan is the dash athlete in the school, and the word given in the bracket is fast. So which degree of comparison will be used here? Yes, we will use the superlative degree of comparison, because here we are comparing Mohan with all the students, with all the athletes in the school. Okay, so as there's a comparison among more than 2 students or athletes, so that's why we will use the superlative degree of the adjective fast, and the superlative degree of the adjective fast is fastest. So the answer here is Mohan is the fastest athlete in the school. Look at the next sentence now. Elephants are dash than rhinos, and the word given in the bracket is heavy. So which degree of comparison will be used here? Yes, we will use the comparative degree of the adjective heavy, and the comparative degree of the adjective heavy is heavier. Okay, so the answer here is elephants are heavier than rhinos. Okay, HEAVIER. I hope you remember that if the adjective ends with y, then we remove y, and in place of y we add I before adding er to the comparative degree. Okay. The next sentence is Amitabh Bachchan is still the dash actor in the Bollywood, and the word given in the bracket is popular. So which degree of comparison will be used here? Yes, we will use the superlative degree of the adjective popular, and the superlative degree of the adjective popular is most popular. So the answer here is Amitabh Bachchan is still the most popular actor in Bollywood. Look at the next sentence now. This is the dash book I have read this year, and the word given in the bracket is good. So which degree of comparison will be used here? Yes, we will use the superlative degree of the adjective good. So what is the superlative degree of the adjective good? Yes, it is best. So the answer here is this is the best book I have ever read this year. The next sentence is she is the dash person I have ever met, and the word given in the bracket is polite. So which degree of comparison will be used here? Yes, here also we will use the superlative degree of the adjective polite. So what is the superlative degree of the adjective polite? Yes, most polite. She is the most polite person I have ever met. Now look at the next sentence. She is 3 years dash than me, and the word given in the bracket is old. So which degree of comparison will be used here? Yes, we will use the comparative degree of the adjective old, and the comparative degree of the adjective old is older. She is 3 years older than me. Now look at the last sentence. Your car is certainly dash than mine, and the word given in the bracket is good. So which degree of comparison will be used here? Yes, we will use the comparative degree of the adjective good, and the comparative degree of the adjective good is better. Your car is certainly better than mine. So now look at the next exercise, that is exercise number 8 on the page number 164. Here you have to rewrite each of the following sentences by changing the positive form of the adjective into the superlative form. Use the words given in the brackets to complete the sentence. You have been given one example. So the example here is Abhimanyu Marg is a wide street, and the words given in the bracket are in the town. So you have to change this positive form into the superlative form and then add the words given in the bracket to complete the sentence. So which is an adjective here? First of all, the word wide is an adjective here because it is describing the noun street. Okay, and wide is the positive degree of the adjective. Okay, now we will change this positive degree into the superlative degree, superlative form. So what is the superlative degree of the adjective wide? Yes, widest. And we all know that before the superlative degree of any adjective we use the definite article the. So the answer here will be Abhimanyu Marg is the widest street in the town. Okay. So now let's start doing all the sentences one by one. So the first sentence is Grand Mall is a big mall, and the words given in the bracket are in the city. So which is an adjective here? Yes, the word big is an adjective because it is describing the noun mall. So now we have to change the positive degree of the adjective big into the superlative degree. Okay, so what is the superlative degree of the adjective big? Yes, it is biggest. Okay, and we will add the definite article the before biggest. So the answer will be Grand Mall is the biggest mall in the city. Look at the sentence B. City Garden is a beautiful park, and the words given in the bracket are in the area. So the adjective here is beautiful because it is describing the noun park. So what is the superlative form or degree of the adjective beautiful? Yes, it is most beautiful. So the answer here will be City Garden is the most beautiful park in the area. Look at the next sentence now. McDonald's is a good restaurant. And the words given in the bracket are on the highway. So which is an adjective here? Yes, good, because it is describing the noun restaurant. So what is the superlative degree of the adjective good? Yes, it is best. So the answer is McDonald's is the best restaurant on the highway. The next sentence is Sky Tower is a tall building. The words given in the bracket are on the road. So which is an adjective here? Yes, tall is an adjective here because it is describing the noun building, and the superlative degree of the adjective tall is tallest. So the answer here will be Sky Tower is the tallest building on the road. Look at the last sentence now. Lee Classic is an expensive hotel. The words given in the bracket are in the town. So which is an adjective here? Yes, the word expensive is an adjective here because it is describing the noun hotel. So what is the superlative degree of the adjective expensive? Yes, it is most expensive. So the answer will be Lee Classic is the most expensive hotel in the town. So these were the answers of the exercises 7 and 8 given on the page numbers 163 and 164, and I hope you have enjoyed doing these exercises. So this is all for today, and we'll meet once again in a new video with a new topic. Till then, take care everyone, stay healthy, stay safe, and thank you so much for watching.